So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-fix or ayusin ang GCash security notice na nag-a-appear once na nag-open tayo ng GCash application. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking GCash app. So, ganito guys yung lumalabas tuwing nag-open tayo ng GCash. So, ayan guys, once kasi na-updated yung GCash nyo, automatic yan, may lalabas na parang ganito, na security notice. So, ang ibig sabihin yan guys, kapag may lumabas na security notice, updated na or bagong update ang ating GCash. So, since nga bagong update, merong na-detect si GCash na security notice na nanggagaling sa ating accessibility service. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys, kapag ganito yung lumabas sa inyong GCash app, once na ino-open nyo, ang gagawin nyo lang guys, huwag nyong i-close. Itatap nyo yung settings. So, dito guys, sa pinakang settings, so, punta kayo dito sa section nito and isa-isahin nyo guys yung lahat ng mga naka-turn on. So, dapat guys, naka-turn off lahat yung mga accessibility na nandito. So, katulad nito guys, naka-off siya, naka-off, 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 naka-off. And ito lang guys yung naka-on. So, ito is naka-off na. So, ibig sabihin guys, kaya may lumalabas na security notice kasi meron pa tayong isang app na naka-on. So, ito na nga yung screen off. So, ang gagawin natin guys is i-off din natin itong screen off. So, ayan, use screen off. I-turn off lang natin yung switch button. And then, stop para ma-disable. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, naka-turn off na lahat yan. So, kailangan yung isa-isahin para sa accessibility notice. So, ayan guys, kung ibabak nyo yan, and makikita nyo, wala nang lumalabas, and pwede na tayong mag-login ng account ulit dito sa ating GCash. So, ayan guys, nakapag-open na tayo ng GCash app. So, ganun lang kasimple guys kung paano ba i-fix yung ating GCash security notice. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!